Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Bull Bay police station. Now this police station has to be demolished. It has to be removed because it's in the path of the highway. And this is the highway we're on, the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. And this section of the road runs from the Yados Bridge to the Harborview Bridge. Now this is the actual road we're on. It's a 4-lane dual carriageway. So you can see the 2 lanes on the left they're working on these 2 lanes. Now straight ahead, dead center in the path of the highway, is the police station. There it is on the other side of that bush. So it has to be removed and a new one built. But they haven't started demolishing it yet. So we're just going to show you what's going on. It was announced, actually it was known a very long time ago. That's the police station there, that this station had to be removed. And I'm not sure why it's taking so long for them to build a new one. But we're just giving you the update that it has not been demolished yet. There it is. And I think the last update was they said a temporary station was going to be built. But it was known years ago that this station had to be removed. So I'm not sure why it wasn't done before and it's all of a sudden it's so urgent. Alright, so we're just going to show you the actual station now. And it seems to be a very historic station. It's been here for a very long time. But unfortunately, it's in the path of the highway. 1896 is on the wall, so this station is over 100 years old. And there you can see it's dead center in the path of the highway. And some months ago we were over here trying to get a look at the new station under construction. But it turns out the new station, they haven't started building the new station yet, which is very surprising. I'm wondering if we are on the right side of the road now. Okay. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about them waiting till the last minute to start construction in the new station and demolishing of that station. You can leave the comments in the section below. Alright, so this section of the road now, they are expanding it from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. So that's the work that's going on. From Harborview to 11 miles, the new highway will run along the existing roadway, and the existing 2 lanes will be upgraded to 4 lanes and the Jersey barrier put in. Okay, so out here now, where you see that bridge, that highway is going to take a new alignment. It won't run along the existing roadway up here. It's going to go over the hill, and the traffic will go over the bridge. A bridge was recently built, and the highway goes. You'll no longer drive along the existing roadway. That's what I should say. You're going to go onto a new road that was built going over the hill, and this is where you would drive. So right here now is the old road, but the highway doesn't go on this road. The traffic will go on the bridge that we just saw. So between the Harborview Bridge and 11 miles, the highway will run along the existing roadway that's going to be upgraded to 4 lanes. And then from 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, the highway is now going to go take a new alignment and go over the hill. So between 11 miles and the Suncoast Adventure Park, it's a new alignment. And then from the Suncoast Adventure Park to Albion Heights, the highway will run along the existing roadway. And then from Albion Heights to Grand Spend, the highway takes a new alignment and goes over the hill again. And then from Grand Spend to the Yalos Bridge, it runs along the existing roadway. So that's the alignment for this project between the Yalos Bridge and the Harborview Bridge. And that section is to be finished in August of this year.